Hello, Mr. Hausler here. So this is a video to help you with Chapter 7, Test, Slope and Association. We're working on EO13 here, Slope. Wanted to graph tables or situations. I can pull out slopes, so calculate and find the slope, but then we also have to interpret the slope given the situation. So if I'm given an equation, it says the amount of money Julie's bank account after X weeks can be found using this. Y equals 35x plus 100. So what is my slope? Y equals mx plus b. M is the slope, so that means 35 is my slope. 35 is the slope. I have to interpret what that means. Every week, Julie is putting in $35 in her bank account. That's what that means, because it's a positive 35. She's putting in $35. If I were to interpret the y-intercept, that would mean she started with $100 in her bank account. Graph. If I'm given a graph, you guys might not be able to see it, but look on the Google Doc. You'll be able to see it there. Number of tiles is going here on the y. The figure number is going on the x. The slope is a 3. When I have a graph, I'm going to use a slope triangle. So I'm hitting a lattice point here. I'm hitting a lattice point there. So at 0, I'm at a y value at 2. I'm going up 3 over 1. So I'm using my rise over run. Second time I've done that. Rise over run to find my m value. So I'm rising up 3, I'm going over 1. Again, slope is 3, but it means a different interpretation in this situation. In this situation, it means for each new figure, add 3 more tiles, because it's a positive 3, add 3 more tiles. If I were to interpret the y-intercept of this, the y-intercept is a 2, that means my 0th term, my 0th figure, would have 2 tiles. Now if I were given a situation, your hair grows 5 millimeters every 8 days, my slope would be just 5 millimeters every 8 days, so 5/8. That's my slope. How do I interpret that? Your hair is growing 5/8 of a millimeter every 1 day. You always want to interpret it in terms of a unit rate. So it's doing 5/8 millimeter every 1 day.